How to organize your study materials for test success. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into an important aspect of test preparation that often gets overlooked: organizing study materials. Trust me, how you organize your study resources can be a game changer when it comes to test performance. So, let's get started. First off, let's discuss why organizing your study materials is crucial. A cluttered study space can lead to a cluttered mind. When you're not sure where your notes are or which textbook to refer to, you end up wasting valuable time. On the other hand, a well-organized study space boosts your productivity and helps you focus better, thereby reducing test anxiety. Before you can organize, you need to identify what kinds of materials you're working with. This can range from textbooks and notebooks to digital files and flashcards. Knowing the types of materials you have will help you decide the best ways to organize them. When it comes to physical materials like textbooks and notebooks, consider using book stands or shelf organizers. Label your notebooks for each subject and use sticky tabs to indicate important pages in your textbooks. Subsection: using binders and folders. For loose papers, binders and folders are a lifesaver. Use dividers to separate different topics or units and always have a section for important handouts and assignments. Subsection: flashcards. If you're a fan of flashcards, a flashcard box with dividers for different subjects or topics can be extremely helpful. Digital clutter can be just as overwhelming as physical clutter. Create specific folders for each subject on your computer. Within each subject folder, make subfolders for different topics or units. Subsection: cloud storage. Using a cloud storage service can ensure that you have access to your materials from anywhere. Just make sure to keep this organized as well, mirroring the organization on your personal device. Subsection: apps and tools. There are also many apps designed to help you organize your study materials. Notion, Evernote, and OneNote are popular choices for keeping notes and other resources in a searchable, organized manner. The key to staying organized is regular maintenance. Make it a habit to review and tidy up your study materials at the end of each week. This will make sure you're always ready to dive into efficient, effective study sessions. And there you have it. A well-organized study space can go a long way in reducing test anxiety and improving your performance. I hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget, the key is to keep everything organized not just before the test but as a regular practice. Happy studying and see you in the next video.